This is PC747. I'm going to continue on with our tutorial. So the next one, I'm going to teach you how to use your Chrome browser. So browser would allow you to go on the internet. And the internet is where you go to get information. Now a lot of your apps are already pretty much tied to the internet, such as Facebook apps, such like that. So if you got an app such as Facebook or a news app, it pretty much takes you right there to it. So you can go ahead and avoid worrying about it. But let's just say you want the freedom to be able to go to the site you want. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click on browser, that's the app right here, which is red, yellow, green, and blue. Click on that, and it's going to bring up search for web address. Now let's just say you don't know what the web address is, but you have an idea what you want to look for. So let's just say I want to look for football, because I love football. Type in football, hit enter, and it's going to bring up stories dealing with football and so on. So if I want to go ahead and click on a certain story by ESPN and read it, I can click on that. Scroll through. You can also look at through Wikipedia to learn things about football, as well as you're going to see some videos here, such as YouTube videos and so on and so on. Now, for me, I actually want to go to the NFL website. So what I can do is scroll down till I find NFL.com and click on it. Or what I can do, if I don't want to quite go there, if I want to look at or read up one of these stories, I can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and read up South Carolina football. Click on that, and it'll pull up the site. Now, you can do one of two things from here. You can either go back, if you want to go back to seeing more about football, or let's just say, okay, you're reading up on football, and upon reading, you say, all right, I see something on here I want to continue on. Who is this red shirt guy, sophomore? Or what is red shirt? What does that mean? Well, you could actually go right here, and they're going to highlight that, X, type in something else, red shirt. And they'll go ahead and give you that from there. So this is very intricate in helping you find things so that you can continue your search and look things up. This is PC747 out.